Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the imposter from Among Us Hide and Seek. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing a rounded rectangle shape. Now let's hop up on the top right and let's draw a curve up to the left, stopping about here. Now from the end, let's bring it down for the left side of the body. Now hop back over on the bottom right and let's draw a curve down and bring it up for the first tooth. Then another V shape. And then one more, but we're going to bring it up higher like this. Now let's finish drawing the mouth. From the end here, let's draw a long curve down. And then 3 more zigzag points going across to the right. And then one more up, but this time we're going to curve it downwards for the leg. Next, let's move inside and draw the tongue. Let's start inside the mouth at the bottom and let's draw a wavy curve up and to the right. And then the same thing above it, coming to a point. Now to finish off the mouth, let's draw a curve in the middle here, but we're going to bring it down behind the tongue like this. And that's it for the mouth. Let's move down and finish the feet next. Underneath, let's draw a curve across the middle here. Then from the left end, let's bring it down. And then move over onto the right and draw another line down for the other leg. Now let's close off the bottom of each leg with a curve across. And that's it for the body. Let's move over on the left now and draw his backpack. On the left side of the body, let's draw a long rectangle shape. Lastly, let's hop up and draw the hat. Let's start on the top right of the head and let's draw a curve up, back over to the left, and in. Now on top, let's draw 2 diagonal curves above like this. And then one last curve at the top to close off the hat. And that's it for the hide and seek imposter. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!